Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'll be showing you how to donate on Twitch. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to know, you just simply have to open your Twitch application at very first, and after opening the Twitch application you will get to see a bunch of options into this section. Now in order to donate, you just simply have to open any of this stream where you want to donate. Then after opening this stream, you will get to see a bunch of options at the bottom section where you can send chats. Now in order to donate, you will get the option of send donations or cheerings through your PayPal and bank account, but your region needs to allow that at first. Otherwise, you can use this feature of rewards into here. You can just simply select any of the reward points if you have any, and you can send it to the streamer. This way you can very easily support streamer by donating. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.